All right, let me ask you something. Why does your pasta look shiny? Why does your sauce always slide off like it's allergic to flavor? You ever stop and wonder what that's really about? You think you're eating clean, but the pasta you're boiling might be running deeper interference than you realize. Let me break this down for you because they're not going to say this on the Food Network basically because, this is forbidden knowledge, so to speak. Most of the pasta people buy at the grocery store is made with Teflon-coated dyes. That's what gives it that smooth, glossy look, but it makes it feel like the sauce never sticks no matter how thick you make it. It's just bad for texture. It's just bad for you too. Teflon, yes, that Teflon, the same synthetic coating that's used in nonstick pans, also known as PTFE. It's cheap, it's fast, and it's toxic as hell when used the wrong way. Now imagine that being used under high heat and pressure to extrude pasta by the ton over and over again. You think nothing is getting into your food? Teflon production has a long, shady history tied to PFOA, also called a C8. It's a forever chemical. It doesn't break down. It doesn't flush out easily. And even though they'll tell you it's been phased out, it's still showing up in testing, still leaching, still lingering. PFOA is linked to hormonal disruption, thyroid issues, liver damage, kidney stress, and even certain cancers. And you're over here wondering why your body's inflamed after a simple pasta night. Now here's what they don't advertise. Bronze cut pasta, old school, textured, real. It's made using traditional bronze molds, not Teflon coated ones. That rougher surface isn't a defect, it's a feature. It holds the sauce, it digests better, and it's not laced with chemical residue. Most of the time, if it's bronze cut, you'll find it in smaller batches from higher quality wheat and dried slowly, not in some giant factory running on fumes and shortcuts. So yeah, you thought pasta was innocent, but once again, the modern food industry found a way to take something simple and turn it into a chemical delivery system. And you're wondering why your body is screaming. Read your labels, look for bronze cut on the box. If it's not there, skip it. Better yet, look for made in Italy pasta. They're in the pasta aisle because I always get, bronze cut, or I look for made in Italy if I can't find that. So this is about more than just taste. It's about sovereignty over your body. So if you like what I am sharing, be sure to subscribe to this channel. And if this speaks to you on a soul level, that means you're part of my collective that I'm here to awaken and guide. TikTok can't hold this kind of truth. Instagram buries it. But here we talk about what actually matters. This is Food Decoded. Stay present, stay sovereign. Be mindful of what you're putting into your body because everything is energy in this goddamn simulation, this matrix, whatever way you want to call it. I call it La La Land because once you're up and awake, nothing makes sense anymore. So stay tuned for what else I come up with because the majority of this stuff just happens. It's a source download. I was getting ready to cook pasta and the information just came and it's like get on camera and share it. So I'm sharing. Be sure to follow, subscribe, like, comment. Let me know what you would like to hear or what you want to know about because I'm down for sharing what I know.